You've traveled across continents, you've flown into space. But what if your next destination was straight down? Beneath your feet lies a world more alien than Mars, hotter than the sun's surface, denser than lead, and more mysterious than the cosmos. Today, we descend into the Earth's core, not in fiction but through the lens of science. Buckle up, this journey will melt your expectations. The descent begins. Our descent begins with a simple question: what lies beneath our feet? As we start our journey, we find ourselves standing on Earth's crust, the thinnest and most familiar layer of our planet. This outer shell, where all life as we know it exists, is remarkably thin compared to the Earth's total radius. The continental crust, on which most land masses sit, averages about 21 miles in thickness. It's a complex mosaic of rock types, from granite to basalt, constantly shaped by the relentless forces of plate tectonics. As we drill deeper, we encounter increasing pressure and temperature. The crust gives way to the mantle, a vast region that makes up about 84% of Earth's volume. The upper mantle, starting at depths of about 20 to 30 miles, is composed primarily of silicate rocks rich in iron and magnesium. Here, solid rock behaves plastically, flowing slowly over geological time scales into the mantle. Descending further, we enter the lower mantle. The pressure here is crushing, and temperatures soar to around 30 degrees Celsius. Despite these extreme conditions, the lower mantle remains mostly solid due to the immense pressure. This layer extends to a depth of about 1,800 miles, where we encounter a dramatic change, the outer core. At this boundary, we plunge into the outer core, a roiling sea of molten iron and nickel. This is where Earth's magnetic field is generated, a crucial shield that protects us from harmful solar radiation. The temperatures in the outer core range from 4,000 to 60 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the Sun. The pressure here exceeds 1.3 million atmospheres, a force so intense it's difficult to comprehend. The inner core. Finally, at the heart of our planet, we reach the inner core. This solid sphere of iron and nickel, about 70% the size of the Moon, rotates slightly faster than the rest of the Earth. The inner core begins at a depth of about 3,200 miles and has a radius of approximately 760 miles. Here, temperatures reach a staggering 5,700 degrees Celsius, comparable to the surface of the Sun. What would you experience? But what would you actually experience on this impossible journey? The reality is sobering. No human or man-made object could survive such a trip. The crushing pressure would compress you to a fraction of your size long before you reached the mantle. The extreme heat would vaporize any conventional materials. There's no breathable air, and the density of the material increases dramatically as you descend. To even contemplate such a journey, we need to imagine technology far beyond our current capabilities. We'd require heat shields that can withstand temperatures hotter than the sun's surface, pressure suits that can resist millions of atmospheres of pressure, and drilling machines that can bore through solid iron. Even with such fantastical equipment, the journey would be insurmountably challenging. No known material can withstand the full range of conditions from the surface to the core. Why it matters? Despite these insurmountable obstacles, understanding Earth's core is far from a purely academic exercise. The core plays a crucial role in shaping our planet and making it habitable. It drives the convection currents in the mantle that power plate tectonics, reshaping continents and ocean basins over millions of years. The outer core's churning motion generates Earth's magnetic field, which not only aids navigation but also shields us from harmful solar radiation. The inner core, despite its inaccessibility, influences the entire planet. Its rotation, slightly faster than the rest of the Earth, may affect the length of our days over long periods. The growth of the inner core as the Earth slowly cools releases energy that helps drive convection in the outer core, sustaining the magnetic field. So, how do we study something we can never directly observe or visit? Scientists employ a variety of ingenious methods to probe the Earth's depths. Seismic waves from earthquakes provide crucial data about the structure and composition of the Earth's interior. By analyzing how these waves travel through the planet, seismologists can infer the properties of the materials they pass through. Advanced computer modeling allows researchers to simulate the extreme conditions of the Earth's interior, providing insights into how materials behave under such pressures and temperatures. High-pressure experiments in laboratories using devices like diamond anvil cells can recreate some of the conditions found deep within the Earth, allowing scientists to study material properties under extreme conditions. The future of exploration. The future of deep Earth exploration is exciting. Researchers are developing more sensitive instruments to detect subtle variations in the Earth's gravity and magnetic field, which can provide clues about the core's structure and behavior. Neutrino detectors, typically used for astrophysics, might one day be employed to map the Earth's interior. Advances in seismic tomography promise to give us increasingly detailed images of the deep Earth. It's worth noting that our understanding of Earth's core is relatively recent in scientific history. The existence of the Earth's core was first proposed in the early 20th century, but it wasn't until 1936 that Danish seismologist Inge Lehmann discovered the inner core by studying seismic wave patterns from earthquakes. Her work revolutionized our understanding of Earth's structure and laid the foundation for modern seismology. Conclusion. As we conclude our imaginary journey to the center of the Earth, we're left with a profound appreciation for the complexity and mystery of our planet. The core, though forever beyond our physical reach, is not beyond the reach of human ingenuity and scientific inquiry. Every tremor, every fluctuation in the magnetic field, every volcanic eruption is a message from this hidden world. We may never reach the core, but it reaches us every day. It shapes the world we live in, from the continents we stand on to the invisible shield that protects us from cosmic radiation. The next time you feel the ground beneath your feet, remember, you're standing on the roof of a world more extreme and alien than anything we've encountered in our ventures into space. Our journey to understand the Earth's core is far from over. As technology advances and our methods of inquiry become more sophisticated, we continue to unravel the mysteries locked deep within our planet. This exploration not only satisfies our curiosity about the world we inhabit, but also helps us understand and predict geological phenomena that affect our lives on the surface. The study of Earth's core reminds us that some of the greatest frontiers of discovery lie not in distant galaxies, but right beneath our feet. It challenges us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, inspiring new generations of Earth scientists, physicists, and engineers to look deeper, think bigger, and imagine the impossible. Thus, the next time you gaze at the stars, spare a thought for the extraordinary world spinning beneath your feet. It's a reminder that in science, as in life, the most profound discoveries often come from looking in unexpected directions. The journey to the center of the Earth may be impossible in reality, but in the realm of scientific exploration, it's a journey that never ends. Thank you for watching.